Okay, this time what we're going to be looking at is division with remainders. So last time we looked at division without remainders, which meant that when we were dividing it was normally a station of the times table. This time it'll be a wee bit different. We're going to look at 19 divided by 2. Now 19 divided by 2 we set out a little bit like this. Now have a look. I've done an example for this. So we've got 2 times what makes 1. Is 1 a station of the 2 times table? No, it's not. So we need to go to the station below, which would be 0. So 2 times 0 makes 0, which means we've got 1 extra there. So we've got to carry that across. So we're carrying that across to the next bit. So then we're needing to think to ourselves, 2 times what makes 19? Is 19 a station of the 2 times table? No, that's right, it's not. So what's the station below 19 in the 2 times table? Station below it. That's right, it's 18. So 2 times what makes 18? It's 2 times 9 makes 18. 2 times 9 makes 18. But we've got 19, so how many have we got left over? So 2 times 9 is 18, with 1 remaining, a remainder of 1. 1 left over. So let's see, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 makes 19. Let's have a look at the next one. 46 divided by 5. So I'm going to set it out like that one again. So 5, how many times is 5 going to 46? 46 divided by 5. So we'll look at the first one. 5 times what makes 4? Can we do that? 5 times something makes 4. Is 4 a station of the 5 times table? No, it's not. So what's the station below 4 in the 5 times table? 5 times something makes, that's right, 0. So 5 times 0 makes 0. 5 times 0 makes 0. So how many are we carrying over? Well, we've got 4 here, so we're going to carry this 4 over because we've not used any of them. We've only got 0 being used. So then we're looking at this one. 5 times something is 46. Is 46 a station of the 5 times table? No, that's right. So what is the station below 46 in the 5 times table? Below 46 in the 5 times table. The station below 46 in the 5 times table is 45. That's right. So 5 times what makes 45? 5 times what makes 45? 5 times 9 makes 45. So we've got 5 times 9 makes 45, but we've got 46. How many have we got left over? That's right, we have got 1 left over again. Let's check it out. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 makes our 46. Let's check and see if we can do the next one. It's 80 divided by 9. So we'll do it like this, so it makes it a wee bit easier for us. 80 divided by 9 with our truck kind of division. So let's look at the first step. How many times does 8 go into 9? How many times can 8 be divided by 9? Can it? Isn't 8 a station of the 9 times table? Nope, so it's going to be the station below 8 or lower than 8 in the 9 times table. What would that be? That's right, it's 0 again. That's 3 zeros in a row. So if we've got 9 times 0 makes 0, how many have we got left to carry over to this one? That's right, it's going to be 8. 9 times what makes 80? Is 80 a station of the 9 times table? That's a tricky one because it's a 9 times table. 9 times what makes 80? Now, we don't have 80 as a station, so it would be 9 times 8, which would make 72. 9 times 8, which makes 72. So how many we get left over if we have used 72 but we've got 80? So 9 times 8 is 72, with how many left over? That's right, it is 8. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 8 makes 80. Now it is quite tricky, but stick with me. We're going to try this one as well. We're going to try some division with 3-digit numbers, and it's the same kind of an idea. Let's have a look at the first one. We'll look at this one. It's 320 divided by 8. So we'll look at the first digit here. And can 3 be divided by 8? Nope. So what's the station below 3, the number 3? in the 8 times table. 8 times something makes the number below 3. That's right, it's 8 times 0 makes 0. And then how many have we got left over? 8 times 0 makes 0, and we've got 3 left over. That's right. So now we've got the next number. So 8 times something makes 32. 8 times what makes 32? Is 32 a station of the 8 times table? Yes, it is. So 8 times what makes 32? 8 times 4 makes 32. Excellent. What about 0? Is 0 a station of the 8 times table? Think about it really carefully. That's right. 8 times 0 makes 0. 8 times 0 makes 0. So that means that 320 divided by 8 is 40. Let's give the next one a try. 450 divided by 5. We'll have it sitting like this way. 5 into 450. How many times can 450 be divided by 5? Let's have a look and start again at this side. So we say to ourselves, can 4 be divided by 5? 5 times something make 4. Does it work like that? Can you have 5 times something making 4? Nope. So you've got to go to the station below the number 4 in the 5 times table. So 5 times what makes a number before 4 in the 5 times table? 5 times 0. 5 times 0 makes 0. And how many are we carrying over? 5 times 0 makes 0, but we've got 4. So how many are we carrying over? How many have we got left if we've got 0 used? That's right, it's 4. So then we're thinking to ourselves, 5 times what makes 45? Is 45 a station of the 5 times table? Should be quite an easy one for us. 5 times something is 45. Did you work it out? Great. 5 times 9 is 45. Now the last one's quite easy again. Is 0 a station of the 5 times table? Think about it really carefully, the way we did with number dividing by 8. Is 0 a station? That's right. 5 times 0 is 0. So that's us done too. Let's try just one more of this one, and then I'll give you a wee job to try on your own. Right, first one's a bit different. 763 divided by 7. 763 divided by 7. Can 7 be divided by 7? Is 7 times something 7? 7 times something is 7. Is 7 a station of the 7 times table? Yes, it is. So 7 times what is 7? 7 times 1 is 7. Excellent. And we've got nothing to carry over because we've used all of our number there. So let's have a look at the next one. Is 6 a station of the 7 times table? Can 6 be divided by 7? No, that's right. So what is the station below 6 in the 7 times table? Now if 7 times 1 is 7, what is going to be the station below 6? So 7 times something is 6. That's right, it's 0. And how many you carrying over? That's right, the full 6. So we've got 63 for our last number. Is 63 a station of the 7 times table? 7 times something is 63. 63 divided by 7. 7 times something is 63. 7 times something is 63. That's right, it's 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 9 is 63, so that was a bit different from the other ones.